Hi guys, we're here for Barre today. Sofya is my name for those of you that haven't done any of my sessions before. So we're just going to do a little bit of a warm up first. Just go over a little bit of technique. As always, if you have any injuries, obviously make some adjustments, or if you need to regress the moves, take breaks whenever you need to. So we're going to start with those hands on the hips. We're going to stand up nice and tall, slide those shoulders back. So we're going to open and close those feet. We're going to try to open from the inner thighs and not from the knees. And now normally in a normal class, we'd normally do about 10 to 12 of these, but for here, we're just going to do a little bit less. So hold this last one, we're going to lift those heels up nice and high onto demi point, and we press the heels together, squeeze those glutes each time we come back down. And we're just going to pick up that tempo for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We're going to transfer the weight from the next one and move down into a second position. Press with the balls of the feet to lift up nice and high. Press into that right leg at this stage. And again, just to remind you, I'm going to do a little bit less repetitions. So I'm going to move across to the other side. I'm going to step out and press and point that toe to pull myself back up. So we'll just do 2 on this side. And then 1 more. Next time we go back to the other side, we're going to add in some arms. Open and close those arms. Make sure you're landing with both feet wide, pointing out to those toes. 1 more on this side. And then take it across to the other side. We want that weight to be even as we press through the center. And then just 1 more here. And then we're going to alternate from side to side, get that heart rate up. Exhale each time you come back up. Think of the crown of the head up towards that ceiling. 1 more on each side. And then we're going to hold this last one here. Bring those hands into prayer position. Press the palms together. We're going to move up and down. So again, I want the waist to be pressing through the center. Keep the hips lined up to the front of the room. Engaging those abdominal muscles, lift that heel off the ground. Pressing nice and deep into that left, and then switch sides. So in this one, I usually do like 8 repetitions on each side. Then I'll break it down to 4 on each side. And then I'll do a 2 and a 2. And then a 1 and a 1. Until you really get that burn into those legs and into those glutes. Keep pulling up that pelvic floor, and then hold that last one. Pick up both heels off the ground, place them back down, reach the arms tall, lift up, take a bit of a breather, hitch the body down into a sumo, and again, we're reaching the fingers tall as we're pressing down through the center. Keeping that spine nice and long. We're gonna hold this one, we're gonna bend and straighten those arms, hitch it right back. Really concentrate. Getting my heart rate up here, and stay nice and low and hold that last one. 1 more time, press down, all the way down. See how deep you can sink through that center, and then hold again and open up through the chest this time. We'll just do 2 more of this, and then we'll reach up to the ceiling, take the arms down, and give you a really bit of a shake. Roll all the way back up to standing. We're just gonna have a bit of a stretch before we move on. So when you set up with into a lunge position, and take your hands down to the floor. Stretch that leg, and then bend. And then press the hips up, and then bend 1 more. And hold this last one, head down towards your knee. Try to press that heel down towards the ground. Bend the knee to take yourself over to the other side. We'll do the same stretch here. So you straighten the front leg, and then bending it. So just 1 more here. We're gonna hold this last one. Hold, press that back heel down. Head down towards the knee. So really, I'd like you to hold this stretch a little bit longer than I'm doing right now. Bend that knee, pick it up, and roll to start position. All right, so we should be nice and warm on our way in. Make your way over to, I'm using a bar. You can use a table, you can use a chair, just something that you can place your hand up on top of. So slightly in front, hands on the hips, start nice and tall. We bend the knees for the plie. We lift those heels up nice and high. We come all the way to the straight leg, and then we press the heels to come back down together. Now we start to pick up the tempo. So we plie, we elevate, we come up, and then we come all the way back down. We're going to hold on this last one. Drag that outside leg in so that the heels are able to touch. Still up nice and tall, abdominal muscles switched on. Plie down. Squeeze those glutes to come back up. Don't lose the connection on the way back in. Take the arm out. We come down. We lift and look to the ceiling. We look out We look up, and again we can pick up the pace, and don't forget to add in those extra repetitions. Hold the next one down for 3, 2, 1, and squeeze the lift. Try to challenge yourself to go lower each time. One more here, and hold that arm up. We're going to grand plie down for 1, nice and deep squeeze to lift. Grand plie all the way down, press to come back up. We'll do one more here. We'll hold this last one, we'll come down to half position, press the hips towards the back, press the hips towards the center, and we're going to start to do a little bit of a booty shake, swing the arms with you. Challenge yourself, come down a little bit lower, and finish off the last 8 or so repetitions. Come all the way back up. Take that leg out behind. Give yourself a little bit of breath. Now we would normally go over and do the other side, so turn towards the bar, and we'll repeat that on the other side. For today, I'm going to come back to this side, we're going to step out into second position. Reset with that hand slightly in front, hands on the hips, bend the knees, lift the heels, squeeze those glutes, come back down. Same as we did before. So we plie, relevate, lift and lower. I'm going to hold the last one here, high up into the midpoint. Move your arm out to the first position. Plie down, lift and reach. Looking out, looking up again. Keep the hips coming down through the center. Keep it even through the legs. And the next one I'm going to do 3 pulses. 1 and 2, squeeze and drive all the way back up. 2, 3, and up again. And holding this last one, take it down, hold that position, place the heels nice and high now, so a little bit higher, and we're going to pulse here, and pulse. Feel those glutes igniting right now. We should be on fire. We've got 4, 3, 2, 1, don't come up, place the heels down, pelvic tilt forward and back, then take your hands onto your hips, and we're going to pulse, tuck and release. We're going to take both hands up to the ceiling, and we're going to pump those arms. Your challenge is to go lower. We'll do 3, 2, 1, and reach. Don't forget to do extra reps in that arm just done now. Give the booty a little bit of a shake, and roll back up. Return to repeat the same thing on the other side. For today, we will continue. First position with your feet. Reach your right arm nice and tall, find your connection underneath your shoulders. And we're going to extend the leg out, press down with this foot so we can connect through the glutes. Sweep the floor, press your left foot into the floor, and kick towards the front of the room. Inhale, lengthening, exhale, sweep. Find the momentum. We want to swish the floor with our leg, pull up the pelvic floor, connect those abdominal muscles. Hold the last one back. Drag it in to the toes just behind the heel, and we're going to curtsy. Now remember your curtsy, we don't want to tip forward. We want to stay up nice and tall, keep those abdominal muscles engaged, keep that pelvic floor on, extend your arms out to the side. We curtsy, and we ground our arms to the side of the room. Really focus on pressing down with this left leg. So I'm just going to do just one more today, and then I'm going to hold that curtsy. This is where it starts to get a little bit hot in here. So we want to reach that arm up to the ceiling. I'm focusing, pressing down with this left leg. Really sitting into it. Hold, freeze that position. Transfer the weight to the front. Continue to pulse up and down. Hold it up nice and tall. Feel those legs and those glutes on fire. Hold that position here. We can go back and repeat each of these a couple more times. I do my classes. Sometimes I go 8, 4, 2, 1, and then land to the front. Lifting here for our attitude. Think of pulling up tall. Pull up from the inner thigh. Keep that knee in line with that ankle. Hold that position here. Transfer the weight like you're wrapping your foot around a pole. Hitch the body forward, and we lift from the knee opening out to the side. We're at attitude here, and then we're going to hold again. Make sure you do more repetitions. Lengthen the leg, lengthen the arm. I'm going to hitch the body forward and lift for our arabesque. Hitch that body forward as you lengthen that leg. And then to move into our stalk, come all the way down, don't touch the floor. Kick that leg all the way up, reach and tuck that toe. Exhale. And then lift one more time for me. You guys can keep going with this one. We're going to find ourselves back into neutral. And we're going to pulse from the crease at the bottom. Give me about 10 of these. And then coming all the way back in. Place that foot on top and take a little seat. Woo. Turn them around to do it all on the other side to keep ourselves nice and even. Coming up nice and tall for me, guys. We're going to do a little bit of cardio before we finish up today. So what I want you to do is set up in the same position. Extend your right arm and your left leg. Hover just about the height of the top of your chest. You're going to pull the knee in and lengthen at the same time. Scoop it in and lengthen. And I want these to be fast. This is your cardio. So we do about 12 to 15 reps and then we lean lower. We bend into this left knee in order to be able to reach underneath the bar. 12 to 15. And then get right down to the floor and feel like you're pulling into a lawnmower. 12 to 15, and then come back up. That glute is on fire right now. We would obviously turn to the other side to do it again, and that is where I'm going to leave you today. Hopefully your heart rate's up. Don't forget to stretch at the end of this. Your glutes and hammies should hopefully be really happy. I'll see you guys again soon.